Next, in Python, we are going to find area of circle. So for that, I'm taking a variable whose name is radius, and I'm taking input from user into this variable. So if we want to input floating point value in this variable, then we have to write float here. Float, then input, and here we have to type our message, enter radius. So this way we can take input of radius, and whatever input user is going to put will go to this radius. Now formula is area equals to 3.14 multiplied by radius, again multiplied by radius. So whatever is the area, whatever is the result, 3.414 multiplied by radius, whatever radius will provide will get multiplied twice here, and whatever will be the result will go to this area. After that, we have to print and here we can print our area. So here I'm giving a message, area equals to, and here we can print our area. Save this program and run it. So here it is asking us to enter radius. So here I'm giving 14.5 is the radius. So it is calculating area, 3.14 multiplied by radius into radius, it is giving us this answer. So this was our area of circle.